Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and it's time for another dinosaur, and this time it's gonna be the Mosasaurus. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this dinosaur, and to begin we're gonna start out with the top of his head. So from the top, we're gonna go all the way to the tip of the mouth. So this is basically a curve coming down, and then on the very tip, just kind of round it off and come back straight into the same area right here. And this is gonna be the top of the jaw. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna draw the bottom of the jaw now. So we're gonna curve, and then this one's gonna slant down. So stop right around here. And then for the bottom jaw, just curve and then come back in. A little bit of slant going up, and then just kind of draw a little curve going up like that. I know it looks a little bit strange, so let's draw in the eye so we know where we are. So his eye is gonna be right around here. Just draw like a little almond shape. And for the eyeball, I'm just gonna shade in one big dot. Alright, and then now to add in a little bit more detail right on the brow area right here. Right over the eye, I'm just gonna draw a line, just kind of going in. And then continue this on the back, just kind of curve it behind the eye. Makes it look a little bit more menacing, kind of show the bone structure. Alright, and then now let's finish up the mouth. So right here, let's draw one curve like that first, and then add a couple of lines here. This is actually skin being stretched out. Alright, and then for the teeth, it's nice and easy. So I'm just gonna draw maybe a bigger one on the front. And then just add in a bunch of little angles right here, all the way back. Alright, and then on the bottom as well. So it could be a little bit more random, scattered. Alright, so that's the head, and let's finish up the top right here. I'm just gonna curve it down, and then on the bottom, let's come across a little bit. So here's the full head. And then a little bit more detail right around here. Just continue this line. Just add a little crease. And then same thing here, just come across. And then a corner, slant it down, same slant as that. Alright, so now we're gonna continue on with the body, and we're gonna draw the bottom first. It's got those fins. So on this line here, slant down, and then from here we're gonna draw one big curve going down. Okay, so start up here, just go all the way down. It's almost like a kind of like a fin on a whale. Alright, and then we'll go back up. Nice and wide on the back here. And then on this space here, we'll draw one curve like this to show a little bit of folding. And then one more line up here. Okay, so these folds just help to show you the shape of the whale. I mean, the little folds on the fins. Okay, so now we're gonna continue on with the body. So for the body, we're gonna continue with this line. I guess this would be the belly. Just curve all the way back. Alright, and then from here we're going to draw the smaller fin on the back. So same thing here. Just going to add another curve like this, but a little bit shorter. And then this one we'll just go up. Little angle, and then we'll just go all the way back up. Alright, and let's just continue this line here so we know this is kind of like the beginning of the tail. So this is one smooth curve right behind the fin. Alright, and then up here, same thing. One little curve just to show some more folds. Alright, so now we're ready for the back. So start up here, come down to right around the fin area. And then it's gonna go up just a little bit because it's a little bit wider on the body. So this is a little bit bigger. And then we're gonna come down. So this is gonna be smaller. And then this is gonna taper off. So this is gonna be the beginning of the tail. Alright, so for the tail, we're gonna kind of make it look like it's kind of swirling a little bit. So we're gonna start on the top. Okay, we're gonna curve. Just hook it back like this first. And then once you have this hook, we're gonna turn it and hook it this way. Alright, so once you have this curve, we're gonna start on the bottom here and we're gonna curve all the way around. So we're gonna continue this. Just curve up and then just close it off right there. So just kind of pinch it in. I know it's a little bit strange. Okay, so once you have this, come right around here. We're gonna curve this way. And then once you have here, just curve it and close it off. Okay, so this is kind of like the top of the tail here, going all the way around. So for this one, we're gonna go out this side. So right around here, just curve out like this. And then for the very tip of the tail, extend this. And then from this point, make it nice and sharp. Okay, so now it looks like it's kind of slithering around. And then lastly, it's got those little spikes all the way on the back here. So I'm just gonna add in some angles right on the top. Just keep going all the way down. And that is it for this dinosaur. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up and check out all my other dinosaur drawings. And I will see you next time.